Today I'm doing a up-close look at this pressure regulator for my Presto pressure canner. And I love this thing because it's kind of a set and forget gadget that regulates the pressure, so I don't have to think about whether it's at the right pressure. I don't have to like pay attention to the dial here. I can just use this on the vent. Now what I've done is I have salmon in here that I'm canning today. We live in Alaska, and I want to have it at 10-pound pressure since I'm at sea level. I brought it up to where there's constant steam coming out. You can probably hear it. And then I'm just gonna put that over there, and it instantly cuts off the steam. And then what I'm doing next is I'm waiting for it to start rocking. And then once it starts rocking, I can turn down the heat on my stove. As long as it stays rocking, then I know it's staying at 10 pounds pressure. And then I can do it, you know, for the salmon it's 100 minutes, but just depending on what you're canning. Anyways, I love this little gadget. It makes canning so much easier and kind of fun. So I recommend getting one.